Today, we're going to learn a very common English expression, run like the wind. At the end of this lesson, you will understand what it means, when to use it, and how to use it naturally in real life.
Let's start with the expression itself, run like the wind. At first it sounds simple. Hear the word run and you hear wind. But together, this expression has a special meaning. When we say someone runs like the wind, we mean they run extremely fast. Not just fast, very, very fast. It's the kind of speed that makes you stop and look. Now, think about the wind for a moment. You cannot see it, but you can feel it. It moves quickly. Sometimes it passes by you so fast you barely notice it before it's gone. So when we compare a person to the wind, we are saying their movement is just as fast and smooth. They move quickly across a space, almost like they disappear. That's the idea behind this expression. Now, let's make this more real. Imagine a dog in a park. The owner takes off the leash. For 1 second, the dog stands still. Then suddenly, it runs across the grass, full speed. Its legs are moving quickly, its ears are back, and in just a few seconds, it's far away. You could say, that dog runs like the wind. That means the dog is moving extremely fast. Now, let's look at another example. Imagine a student in a school race. The teacher says, ready, go. All the students start running. But one student moves much faster than the others. In just a few seconds, she's making her way to the front. Someone watching might say, wow, she runs like the wind. I mean, she is incredibly fast. Now, let's look at how we use this expression in a sentence. You can say, he runs like the wind. She runs like the wind. They run like the wind. It's very simple to use. We often use it when we want to describe speed in a strong, expressive way. Now, here's something important. We usually use this expression in casual, everyday English. You will hear it in conversations, movies, and stories. It's not formal, but it's very common. Also, this expression is often used in a positive way. When you say someone runs like the wind, it sounds impressive. It shows strength, speed, and energy. Now, let's do another sports example. Imagine a soccer game. One player gets the ball near the middle of the field. Suddenly, they start running toward the goal. They pass one defender. Then another. No one can catch them. In just a few seconds, they're already near the goal. Someone in the crowd might say, he's running like the wind. That means he's moving incredibly fast, faster than everyone else on the field. Last example, imagine a basketball game. A player steals the ball right away. They start running down the court, no one is in front of them, they move quickly, almost flying across the floor in just a few seconds. They reach the basket and score. Someone watching might say, he ran like the wind. That means he moved very fast, so fast that no one could catch him. Now, let's do a quick check. If someone is walking slowly, can we say they run like the wind? No, that would not make sense. If someone is running just a little fast, can we say it? Usually, no. We use this expression when the speed is very clear, when it feels fast and powerful.
So, let's review. Run like the wind means to run extremely fast. It compares a person to the wind, which moves quickly and smoothly. And we use it when we want to describe someone's speed in a strong and expressive way. That's it for today's lesson. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons.